Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Stumble, guys. For that, just go and open your app, and it might ask you for some accesses granted to them, and now you need to wait until you'll have to enter your age and tap on accept button and tap on OK, and it will start to download essential assets. It might take few seconds, and after that I'll show you what to do. And after it reaches 100%, you'll need to go on your gear button, that's our settings, and you can log in using your Scopely account or your Google Play account. Simply tap on connect button, and you'll need to tap on continue button, and that is how you can now tap on continue button to give them access about your name, profile picture and email address, and that is how you can log into your Stumble, guys. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.